The E-Copter by Flyo Aviation is an innovative electric air taxi and personal air vehicle designed to change the way we move around cities. Built as a single-passenger aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of 360 kilograms, it can carry either a person or light cargo with ease. Its all-electric propulsion system produces zero CO2 emissions, making it a clean and eco-friendly alternative to traditional helicopters. The E-Copter can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour and stay in the air for around 30 minutes per charge, offering quick and efficient travel over busy urban areas or nearby suburbs. Compact in size and quiet in operation, it stands out as a practical, sustainable, and futuristic solution for modern transportation. The Gravity Jet Suit, created by British inventor Richard Browning and his company Gravity Industries, is one of the most exciting steps toward real human flight. Unlike the jetpacks from movies, this suit actually works, letting a person soar through the air at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour, for short bursts. The design features a lightweight frame with mini jet engines on the back, while the pilot steers by moving their arms, which are linked to sensors that control the thrust. Still in its early stages, the suit shows huge promise for future uses like personal travel, search and rescue, and even military missions. Currently, owning one comes at a high price tag of about $592,000, making it a luxury for now. The Jetson. One is an all-electric personal aircraft that feels like flying your own mini helicopter or drone. Built from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, it's powered by 8 electric motors delivering 102 horsepower. This futuristic ride can soar for up to 15 minutes on a single charge, covering around 20 kilometers, 12 miles. Safety is also part of the design, with a built-in parachute for emergencies. Weighing only 86 kilograms, 190 pounds, it's light, agile, and perfect for recreational flying. One of its biggest appeals is accessibility. You don't need a pilot's license to take off and enjoy the skies. Priced at $98,000, the Jetson 1 brings the dream of personal flight much closer to reality. The Fly eVTOL is a futuristic personal aircraft designed to transform the way we travel in cities and across regions. Blending the features of an electric car with the convenience of vertical takeoff and landing, it offers a smooth and flexible travel experience. You can drive it on regular roads and highways, then seamlessly switch to flying mode to skip traffic and cover longer distances with ease. With a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, it's powered by clean electric motors and shaped with advanced aerodynamics for maximum efficiency. Its compact size, modern safety systems, and cutting-edge technology make the Fly not just a vehicle, but a bold step towards sustainable, smart, and versatile transportation. The Falcon 10X is a next-generation business jet created by Dassault Aviation, setting new benchmarks for luxury, performance, and innovation in private air travel. Designed for global connectivity, it offers an impressive ultra-long range of around 7,500 nautical miles, making non-stop flights between cities like New York and Shanghai or Los Angeles and Sydney possible. Inside, the Falcon 10X features the widest and tallest cabin in its class, giving passengers unmatched space, comfort, and elegance. Its interior can be fully customized, allowing travelers to enjoy a truly personal flying experience. With cutting-edge avionics, a newly engineered wing design, and powerful engines, the Falcon 10X delivers both efficiency and a remarkably smooth ride, redefining what modern private aviation can offer. The Diamond DA50RG is a modern 5-seat single-engine aircraft designed for comfort, performance, and efficiency. Built by Diamond Aircraft Industries, it stands out with its sleek design, advanced aerodynamics, and impressive fuel savings. Powered by a Continental CD300 diesel engine, it delivers lower fuel consumption and reduced operating costs compared to traditional gasoline-powered planes. Inside, the DA50RG offers a spacious, comfortable cabin with large windows that provide excellent visibility, making every flight enjoyable. Equipped with a cutting-edge Garmin G1000NXi flight deck, it ensures pilots have the latest in avionics technology. Thanks to its versatility, safety, and reliability, the DA50RG is a favorite among private owners and flight training schools alike. The Embraer Pulse concept presents a bold new vision for the future of personal travel. Designed as a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft, it introduces a unique passenger pod that serves as a private, cocoon-like cabin. This pod detaches mid-journey, seamlessly shifting from the air to the ground. Once the aircraft lands, the pod automatically connects to a self-driving ground vehicle, allowing travelers to continue directly to their destination without leaving their comfortable space. Blending the speed and freedom of flight with the convenience of autonomous road transport, Pulse redefines how journeys can be experienced. It's a futuristic idea where luxury, efficiency, and innovation come together to create one continuous door-to-door travel solution. The Flying Gondola by Sina Next is an exciting new idea in personal air mobility, designed to change how people move through cities and beyond. Blending the comfort of a gondola with the agility of a drone, this hybrid vertical takeoff and landing aircraft offers a smooth and reliable flying experience. At its core is Aeronex's advanced 4D gravity technology, which ensures stable flight even in rough weather. Its clever design, combining both rotary and fixed wings, allows it to shift easily between vertical lift and forward flight. Perfect for both urban and suburban travel, the Flying Gondola aims to make air journeys safe, efficient, and eco-friendly, bringing us closer to a future where flying becomes part of everyday life. The gyroplane Nessus is a modern lightweight aircraft designed to deliver both excitement and efficiency in the skies. Powered by a reliable Rotax 912 ULS engine, it offers a smooth, stable, and enjoyable flying experience that appeals to aviation enthusiasts of all levels. Its sleek aerodynamic shape not only looks striking, but also enhances performance, ensuring excellent handling and fuel efficiency. The Nessus cruises comfortably at around 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, and can reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour, 193 kilometers per hour, making it a thrilling yet practical option for recreational pilots. With its advanced engineering, stylish design, and impressive capabilities, the gyroplane Nessus is perfect for those who want to combine adventure, innovation, and freedom in every flight. Jet Optera's WIG, Wing and Ground concept is set to reshape the future of maritime transport by blending the best of aircraft and watercraft technologies. This cutting-edge design uses the natural ground effect, where flying close to the water's surface generates extra lift. The result is greater fuel efficiency, higher payload capacity, and faster speeds compared to traditional sea vessels. Operating at low altitudes, these vehicles can cover longer distances quickly while remaining energy efficient and cost-effective. Beyond cargo logistics, the WIG concept opens doors for passenger travel along coasts and waterways, offering a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable alternative to ships and ferries. With its mix of speed, efficiency, and eco-friendliness, Jetoptera's innovation has the power to transform how we move across the seas. The Leo Coupe is an exciting glimpse into the future, combining the freedom of flight with the elegance of a luxury car. Created by Leo Flight, this all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed to change the way we move. Picture a sleek 3-seat vehicle that can smoothly shift from road to sky, giving passengers stunning views and a thrilling sense of freedom. Styled like a high-performance sports car, the Leo Coupe features an aerodynamic design and advanced electric propulsion for a quiet, powerful, and smooth flying experience. With safety and simplicity at its core, it aims to make personal air travel practical and accessible, redefining mobility and offering a bold step toward everyday flying cars. The Pivotal Blackfly is a futuristic personal aircraft that takes off and lands vertically, much like a drone. Originally created by Canadian engineer Marcus Lang, it's now developed by Pivotal Aero, formerly known as Opener. Designed as a lightweight single-seat eVTOL, the Blackfly uses a front propeller and 2 tilting rear propellers to lift off smoothly and transition into forward flight. It can fly at speeds of up to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and cover around 40 miles, 64 kilometers, on a single charge. While still under development, it stands out as one of the first eVTOLs to move toward real consumer availability. With a base price of about $190,000, the Blackfly is shaping the future of personal air mobility. The tilt-rotor eVTOL is a groundbreaking concept that blends the strengths of helicopters and airplanes into one versatile aircraft. Designed for vertical takeoff and landing, it uses advanced tilting rotors that rotate upward to lift off and downward to transition smoothly into fast, efficient forward flight. This dual capability allows it to cover longer distances at higher speeds, while carrying more payload than conventional helicopters. Its design makes it ideal for urban air mobility, where space is limited and efficiency is essential. With the ability to move passengers and cargo quickly across crowded cities, the tilt-rotor eVTOL is set to transform the future of transportation, offering a faster, more flexible and sustainable solution for tomorrow's mobility needs. The Xpeng AOD land aircraft carrier is a groundbreaking modular flying car that blends the freedom of road and air travel in one futuristic vehicle. Its design is split into two parts: a rugged ground module with a powerful 6x6 all-wheel drive system, and an air module built for vertical takeoff and low-altitude flight. What sets it apart is its world-first auto-separation and reconnection system, allowing smooth and effortless switching between driving and flying. On the road, it's powered by an advanced 800-volt silicon carbide extended-range powertrain, delivering an impressive driving range of over 1,000 kilometers. At the same time, it stores enough energy to power multiple onboard systems, making it as versatile as it is revolutionary. The A200 Aerobase is a bold concept from Russia, envisioned as a massive military airship that could act as a flying base for drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Developed under the Aerosmina project, it aims to represent a new generation of advanced airships for both defense and civilian use. With an impressive planned payload capacity of up to 200 tons, the A200 could carry a wide range of drones, supplies, and equipment. Its design allows it to fly at low altitudes for long durations, making it ideal for continuous surveillance, reconnaissance, and support missions. Still in development, the A200 Aerobase remains a futuristic idea, but if realized, it could transform how aerial operations are carried out. The Airbus Vahana is an innovative eVTOL aircraft created to change the way people move around cities. Designed as a fully autonomous single-passenger vehicle, it offers a safe, efficient, and eco-friendly solution for urban commuting. Its sleek, lightweight build and 8 tilting propellers allow it to lift off vertically and smoothly transition into forward flight, making it ideal for busy city environments. Powered entirely by electricity, the Vahana delivers a quiet and sustainable travel experience. Safety is a top priority, with advanced features such as a deployable parachute to protect passengers in emergencies. As a pioneering step in personal air mobility, the Airbus Vahana showcases a future where air travel is accessible, autonomous, and seamlessly integrated into everyday life. The Alauda Airspeeder Mk4 is a groundbreaking flying race car that brings together advanced technology and the excitement of motorsport. Powered by a hydrogen-electric propulsion system, it delivers zero-emission performance while reaching speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber chassis and sleek aerodynamic design, the Mk4 offers incredible agility and precision in the air, making it perfect for high-speed aerial racing. Safety is a top priority, with features like LiDAR radar and collision avoidance systems ensuring secure piloted or remote-controlled operation. As one of the first true aerial race cars, the Airspeeder Mk4 pushes the limits of speed, innovation, and sustainability, paving the way for a thrilling new era in motorsport and green aviation. The Alia 250, developed by Beta Technologies, is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft built for versatility and sustainability. Designed to handle cargo transport, medical supply deliveries, and passenger travel, it brings a new level of efficiency to aviation. Its sleek fixed-wing structure, paired with a large rear propeller for smooth horizontal flight and 4 smaller rotors for vertical lift, ensures both stability and performance. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the Alia 250 can fly up to 250 nautical miles on a single charge, making it a strong contender in the push for greener skies. With its quiet operation, minimal environmental footprint, and advanced engineering, this aircraft is set to transform urban air mobility and regional travel. The Alta by Otis Aviation is a groundbreaking 9-seater hybrid electric aircraft designed to transform short-distance air travel. With an impressive range of 1,200 kilometers and a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour, it blends efficiency with performance. Its advanced propulsion system combines electric motors with a traditional jet engine, ensuring both sustainability and long-range capability. Unlike conventional planes, the Alta can take off and land vertically, removing the need for long runways. This makes it perfect for busy cities as well as remote destinations where infrastructure is limited. Set to enter service in 2028, the Alta promises to bring faster, greener, and more convenient regional flights, offering travelers a smarter way to connect across short to mid-range routes. Copterpack is an Australian startup working on a bold idea: an electric backpack helicopter. Designed to be worn like a backpack, it uses twin-ducted rotors to lift and maneuver the pilot into the air. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber honeycomb frame, the aircraft is expected to feature a self-leveling autopilot for added safety. The company has already shared videos of a tethered prototype in flight, sparking global curiosity. However, key details like price, release date, flight duration, and safety in case of failure remain unclear. While still in its early stages, CopterPack represents an exciting glimpse into the future of personal transportation, hinting at a time when individuals could soar through the sky with the ease of strapping on a pack.